Sovia and this is Maldives vlog. So firstly I will be traveling for work purpose and then I will be calling in my family for vacation. So I will be covering Mafushi, Vavu Atoll, Male and Hulu Male. Let's get into it.
Sea always nearby. Movement across the island. Calm and shallow.
I just had my breakfast and अभी मैं जा रही हूँ बाहर ऐसे ही देखने के लिए just to see what's around. And the best part that I've noticed so far is जब आप walk करते हो, road cross करते हो, everybody stops for you and there's no signal as such in the small lanes. But yeah, everybody stops for you. Even if you are like a step away, they will still stop for you. So that is something really nice and kind of these people. So this is the street currently I'm walking and सामने ही दिखा रहा है कि there is an artificial beach. So let's see how far is it. For a morning walk, it's really nice. यहाँ पे जो stones है उससे मुझे marine drive की याद आ गई, but yeah, it's really beautiful right here. So this is like a must visit because it's only in 3-minute walk and you see this very beautiful beach with like transparent colors. For us Indian, it's really nice. And yeah, it's very clean. If you are coming with your family, there are some shacks as well, so you can sit around there. There is a eatery available here. Otherwise there are multiple cute cafes that you can grab on, coffee cafe, bubble tea and stuff like that. So yeah, you can explore this area. If you are coming here, you can come for like a morning walk. This might be very pleasant in the morning. Right now it's way too sunny because it's like 9:30 a.m. in the morning, but still sometimes raining. So it's really pleasant here. You can come here for a morning dive as well. The locals here usually opt for scooty or a bike because the lanes are small, but cars, you will see such tiny cute cars, and that too in such beautiful pastel colors. I mean, they all had my heart. Because they have small lanes, they have also accumulated small gardens as well, which was very cute. And this was very close from the hotel, less than a minute walk. So you can come here, chill at night and have fun. Okay, this is Hotel Flora in Male and it has like a very cute street, so you can do visit. I'll just give you like a room tour. So once you enter the room, you get the view of the whole room. It's not very big, huge, but it is compactly spacious. So you get a coffee table, a mini refrigerator, TV. I paid like $75 per night for this room and it was good. I think so for 2 people it will cost the same. Also to mention, most of the staff here knows Hindi, so it's easier for you to communicate. A movable full length mirror, which is like a must have for us women because you get to see the whole outfit. And then you have like washroom and balcony. The balcony views are also really nice. You get to see the street, which is like a very tiny street. I was staying on the 9th floor. In case you're staying any lower, you will get to see the building which is right opposite to you. Moving to washroom, it's very well lit up, all clean, and then you get this huge mirror. Also had enough space to keep all my toiletries in here. Basic things like towels, shower gel and shampoos are also provided. I'll be leaving for my office right now, but yeah, I do think this property is really nice because the locality has the medical, the supermarket, and also the cute cafes are here. So you have like 3 to 4 things just in a 1-minute walk, which is really great. And for the price that you are getting it, it's not that bad. And you also get the breakfast. For breakfast I had like these options today, but yeah, the breakfast is also good. So yeah, you can check it out. Bye. Next day, I checked in Hulu Male. As my work was done, my family came in from India and we stayed one night in Newtown Inn. It also had like a Aksa Forex Exchange, and right beside it, it had like a Bombay Darbar Indian food. Right next to the hotel, there was a straight lane which will take you to the Hulu Male beach in less than a minute walk. I checked in and this was the hotel room. They added an extra bed which they took like $15 extra for. So it was originally, this room was for $85 and they costed me $90. $185 just to charge for one extra person. They also had like a mini fridge kept inside a wardrobe. Right next to the wardrobe was the washroom, and it had all the basic amenities: towel, shower gel, tissues and stuff like that. And right opposite to the washroom there was a bedding area, and they also had like a cute study table situation. They also gave us Netflix user ID and password so we can watch on this television. And right when you get out of the hotel room, you get to see this balcony area which is only open during the daytime, so you can come here, sit and enjoy the day. Got all ready, now going to beach at Kulu Male. Oh, पीछे sky देखो इसमें.
Wow.
Okay, so I am currently in Kulu Male, and just opposite to my hotel is this little beach right here. So it's really nice. They have shacks like this available wherein you and your family can sit and enjoy. You can also perform jet ski activity and other activity here. But yeah, I think so this place is like really cute. Just to stroll around, have some food. There's a cute cafe right here which has like a view of this beach. So yeah. So I'm here on the main street. This was the walk, like literally less than a minute. And here are cute cafes, Indian food, Indian restaurants, Thai food and everything is available here. So this street is like really nice to stay on because you get food as well, the beach as well, and comfortable, affordable stay as well. After visiting the Kulu Male beach and the street near the Kulu Male beach, we will be going to Central Park just to see the vibe there, and it's literally like 5 minutes walk. So yeah, I think so the locality where I chose the hotel is really nice because everything is walkable here. While walking to the Central Park, we also saw their local school which was in this blue colored building, and yeah, then we also saw their residential building where normal people stay in.
Last time we went to Qatar, we were reading the Arabic words in the streets of Qatar. Now it's our time to read. Which language is it?
Devahi.
Devahi. Now it's time to read Devahi language in Maldives.
I don't think so we'll be able to read it because.
What is this? This is easy. Rani Hota. कहाँ होता?
कहाँ होती?
अरे होती is good for Qatar.
Okay, we'll just cross the road and then we'll
Read that.
Hiti has magu.
Hiti gas magu.
Hiti gas magu. We are at Hiti gas magu.
It is.
Okay.
It is cool, I guess so.
Okay, it's windy, it's nice, the weather is really nice.
Police station. Police service.
I think so we should let her inside, right? Yeah. The weather is really nice. I am traveling in the month of September. There was some splits of rain here and there, but not really like rainy day. So yeah, I have reached Central Park and let us go there. The park is also cute. Here is a sign, I love Kulu Male. And then there's a very cute little upstairs going where you can click pictures. There are several spots. If you see near the tree, you can sit and have some good pictures and just to stroll around. This is really good for like walking. Those swings. Hi.
वो लोग मुड़ मुड़ के देख रहे हैं, उन लोग की थी क्या?
नहीं यार,
अरे तुम्हारे कपड़े में
अरे एकदम रुको, छोड़ो, वो अपने आप करेगी जो करेगी, तुम क्या क्यों पकड़ रही हो?
खिलौना लग रही है। उनकी मम्मी कहाँ है? गिर जाओगी।
The wind is windy. I just want to go onto one of the swings which is like lightning right now. I'll just show it to you. But look at the clouds. It's so breathtaking, right? I just wanted to sit on one of these swings which had like lights inside them. Then we came across this cute little setup. So these girlies had completed their 11 years of bakery. I will tag them in here, and they were just having a photo shoot here. We saw multiple people having their photo shoot, kids, couples, families and everything. Once I came back from the park to the hotel, I started booking my speedboat, but I was unable to book it. But you should book it from ICOM Tours because they will charge you only $15. Otherwise you will be charged like $25 or $30 from the hotel that you are booking from. But yeah, I couldn't book it. So we just came down and we are just exploring, and I just exchanged my money from the same place that I'm staying, as they have like a very good rate, which 19.90 mein they have exchange, which is like a good rate for USD to MBR conversion. So we are just doing a window shopping in few of these souvenir shops and just local shops. So I look so tired. So we are currently sitting at this beach, Hulumale beach, that we came in the afternoon, in the evening actually. And now people here are literally fishing with their families, having a great time because it is like a weekend here. So all of the people are with families. There are some really cute cat as well. Some people are using swings just to have fun. But yeah, I saw like octopuses and small crabs too here. It was really cute. So I think so you should also come here for the night, have some snack with you and just enjoy. For tomorrow we have like a boat, speedboat from airport to where do we have to go? To Mafushi. Yeah, so it is costing us like $15 per person, so we'll be going there. And yeah, we'll continue the vlog from tomorrow because right now I'll just go back and sleep. Bye. Got up at 6 a.m, went for a walk at the Hulumale beach in the morning, and then came back in for the breakfast. And as a vegetarian, I only had like some fruits and some breads, that's it. Checked out, and then they will be dropping us to the airport, Velina Airport, where we will be getting a speedboat from. One tip, that always book the hotel or Airbnb which provides you to and fro from the airport, because then you will be ending up saving like 85 MVR per trip. So that is one of the tip. Left us at the airport and हम जाएंगे and पूछेंगे about the boats, speedboats. So we'll take out the information and then we'll go ahead. If you are booked through a several resort, you can directly go to their counter and then book the tickets. Otherwise, you have to look for it. I'll just let you know how to do it. So I just asked for this help desk right behind me, and they told to wait here. So there's this ICOM lady which was holding the holder of ICOM, and I just asked her when is the next speedboat. She told me it's 10:45, so I'll just pay her the amount. I think so it will be $30 per person or maybe 15 because I have a business visa. So let's see how does that go.
Hi, we are waiting for this speedboat to go to Mafushi Island.
Yeah, and I just
some coffee.
It's tea, not coffee. Also, we just stocked up on some water, and I just bought it from the store back here, Hulu store. What's the price of water? It's 500 for one 500 ml bottle. अभी सूटकेस रखेंगे, लाइफ जैकेट देंगे. That's it for part 1. See you guys in vlog 2. Bye.